Like, bro, she got a kid. Look at his back. Oh my god.
Back. We're gonna be reacting to Family Guy roasting America.
Yeah.
Family Guy does like they're funny when they be like roasting people for real.
Yeah. They had one about gay people. I think I saw one about Jews. Yeah, there's one we gotta react.
They don't care.
They don't care. No.
That's all right now.
Tina, I don't understand how they just let you out of jail.
Yeah, Joe had all kinds of evidence against you guys. Seems like a huge miscarriage of justice.
Well, I thought if you do something wrong, you're supposed to get punished. Oh, Chris, not if you're white. Oh, crap, the LAPD.
Come on, Peter. Want to save some tape for the Hollywood sign?
Okay. Hey, thanks a lot, you guys.
Hey, our pleasure. Have a nice vacation, sir.
It's hard to read when he's talking like that. Oh my god. That's what it's.
You don't come back we all look alike.
It's always with.
Who's talking?
I don't know who that was.
Quahog is infested with loud, hairy creatures also known as New Yorkers.
They migrate north every autumn to see the foliage. And I think I speak for all of us when I say that New York and everyone from there can fornicate themselves with an iron stick.
If you want to learn more about our president, consult the Steele dossier, which is all about getting peed on.
He also, with whole heart and full throat, endorsed a pedophile for the United States Senate. That didn't fit into tonight's narrative, but should not be forgotten.
From our family to yours, we're very frightened.
That's me and killing
Oh my god.
I'm sorry? No, I'm just saying, make it worth our while, you know? We wrote a pretty big check for you folks here, so, you know, whatever, it's fine. It's fine, doesn't matter. Just, I just hope you make...
Was he at like a black college or something?
I would say that given the events that preceded it, the couple hundred years or so, maybe we're about even.
Yeah, no, we gave more.
Oh my god.
Can you see by the dawn's early
I hate
I
Brian.
do see man.
Proudly we hailed.
At the twilight's last gleaming, and I will awake.
She sung that.
All right, that's all the time we got. I'd like to thank our sponsor, the U.S. Postal Service. When you want something expensive thrown on your porch and stolen, you want the U.S. Postal Service. This is my favorite part of the game, when two drunk guys, each holding a baby, get into a fist fight. You're stupid! No, you're stupid! Oh, now their wives are getting into it. They're gonna put their cigarettes in their mouths and bump boobs.
You got no class, you bitch! No, you got no class!
And now here comes security to kick out the wrong person.
Come on, Miyagi.
Yo, suck with it.
I think this is when it was like recruiting Chris.
The U.S. Army. Oh, yeah. Your experience may differ.
Oh, Rollo.
Veterans of Future. Oh my god.
Honoring uninjured veterans.
Our wives stayed with us.
Oh.
You're all doing such a
We
great job.
did.
I wanted to play you a song I wrote about what America means to me. When you say USA, I just say hooray. And if you're not from here, God's gonna hunt you down and give you AIDS. USA!
There's only one place at the top secret atomic research facility in Berlin.
Wait a minute, Germany's building weapons of mass destruction. Well, why doesn't America go in there and kick their asses?
I don't know. Maybe because they don't have any oil?
Oh, clap, 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 clap.
And the number one thing I, Peter Griffin, would like to say to America.
We should all buy more American-made products, which at last check are down to porn and cheeseburgers.
It doesn't look good for you, Senor Griffin. So far, you've
Senor.
including the behaving like an American at
airport test. No, it wasn't bad. Yeah, I'm on my way to the next plane now. Yeah, I got a middle seat, so I'm gonna see if I can switch. Oh, a Sbarro. I'm gonna get a big fat piece of pizza so I got something to stuff in my face while I'm reading USA Today. Hispanics, Jews, gays, women, Muslims.
What?
Everybody who's not a white man. And I mean white. So no Italians, no Polish, just people from Ireland, England, and Scotland. But only certain parts of Scotland and Ireland. No, you know what? Not even whites. Nobody gets any rights. America. In fact, I got you a bunch of new top-notch American-made stuff.
Is that what's his name? John McCain?
Oh, a couple things. That light fixture. New heat regulator on your stove. Your man bra.
Why does Brown sound like he's in the 40s? Man, Brown?
Dishwasher.
Dishwasher, 1940?
Sound like auctioneer.
I got us an injured bald eagle. Somebody put cigarettes out all over him. Peter, that's a symbol of our country. This particular eagle is a dick. Everything out of its mouth is a taunt. Peter, you're being ridiculous, and you need to release that eagle out into... What'd that eagle say?
What'd that eagle say?
Lock the door.
That's actually a good idea. Like the U.S. Army Reserves.
We're completely surrounded. We need reinforcements.
You know who could really bail us out? Somebody who works 5 days a week at Enterprise Rent-A-Car.
Vietnamese guy giving a business to those
Oh.
Scoreboard! Scoreboard!
Ah,
What happened to your friend?
Oh my
Hey,
god.
I kill him. He cry like a bitch.
God.
Something to distract him.
He said, I get him.
We regret to report that not all the children on board the school bus survived. We have identified the body of one victim, 9-year-old Becky Gunderson. No, wait, that's Becky Gutierrez. That's not news.
Oh my god.
He said, that's not news.
It's a normal high school kid.
Hey, Lance, it's off.
Ooh.
Hey, what's with the sir stuff? This is just the Coast Guard. Now, come on. Who here can pantomime driving a boat? We got any boat guys here? Whoa, look at that. You guys should be recruiting me. Now, can you bounce with the waves a little bit? Uh-oh, getting kind of choppy.
The story on everyone's mind continues to be the absence of police officers in Quahog. Sir, as a citizen, how has this affected you?
The police are gone? Oh my god, we're finally safe!
Everybody black guy.
Hey, you know, if there's ever anything I could do for you.
Actually, you could do something. You could eat
Something
only
like that.
dolphin-safe tuna.
Wait, is that the brand that costs 5 cents more? No, I can't do that. Things ain't so good in America right now, which is why we're all so fat.
Oh my god, the president's been shot!
Wait, what was they watching? What was they watching? What was they watching?
Hey, Texas is great. That's where I'm from. A retarded guy could never have this much fun.
What'd you just say?
What? Technically, I'm retarded. Fellas.
Terrorists and blacks. In Texas, we execute the retarded.
Oh my god, so this is how it ends?
But wait a minute. I thought guns were bad. False. Guns are good. In fact, did you know that Jesus and Moses used guns to conquer the Romans?
There's that one movie with Jesus and it's like,
Guns
it's so
don't kill
weird.
people.
I
Dangerous.
don't know.
It's like tanks and shit. It's so
Guns are
weird.
extremely
I never
dangerous.
seen that.
Purchase, own, clean, operate, or be near guns at any time.
Talking about we go places. We took that
I thought they had
helicopter
Jesus on the
tour.
Walking Dead thing. You remember? Remember that
He
dude?
was. His name was Jesus.
I thought you. I wonder if he actually was.
Look, there's a dog tied to our other dog. I think that guy with long hair is a lawyer. Look at all those students running for their lives. Oh, there's the concrete park again.
Mr. Brown, what exactly are you saying?
I'm saying that I, Cleveland Brown, a black man, shot Cleveland Brown Jr., another black man.
Immediately.
Wait, where did everybody go?
You want to make the media go away? Just mention black-on-black crime.
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you your new national anthem.
I thought she was playing at prom.
You for real?
It wasn't like it was just.
It was.
It's called an automobile, folks. It's much faster than a horse. Oh. Well, it appears I've been fired. Well, as long as I'm no longer working here, let me tell you something. You know what really grinds my gears? You, America. Fuck you, Diane.
Oh my god. What he said, I kill your friend, you die like a bitch. Remind me of that one scene.
He said, I kill your friends.
From The Dark Knight where the Joker is like, if you seen the way most of your friends go, they're cowards. And the fucking dude was like,
Do you want to know why I use a knife? Guns are too quick. You can't savor all the little emotions. You see, in their last moments, people show you who they really are. So, in a way, I knew your friends better than you ever did. Would you like to know which of them were cowards?
You start taking
Why
the
you
shirt
sound
off.
like him, bro? Cowards.
I've been practicing. But let us know what other videos you want to see in the future. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, man. It's the road to 1K. We'll see you next movie.
Peace.